In this video, you'll learn how to create a Chrome extension using Claude Code. By following these steps, you'll set up the required project, folder, and files necessary for your extension to function. To begin, open the terminal in Visual Studio Code. In the terminal, type Dear Cloud extension and press enter. This command creates a new directory for your project. Next, type cd Claude extension to navigate into the newly created folder. This step is essential as it sets the working directory for your project. Once inside the Claude extension folder, you will need to create several files that the extension will rely on. These files include, quote, manifest.json, quote, popup.json, quote, popup.json, and optionally a quote, .env, quote, file for local development. These files will contain the necessary code and configurations for your extension. Now, let's proceed to create the, quote, manifest.json, quote, file. Open your text editor and input the following JSON structure. Begin with manifest_version set to 3, followed by name set to Claude Assistant, version set to quote 1.0 quote, and description as AI-powered Chrome extension using Claude. Define action to include default _popup pointing to quote popup.html, specify permissions for storage and host permissions for the API. Finally, declare background with service_worker set to quote background.js. This file informs Chrome about the extension's capabilities and structure. Next, create the quote popup.html quote file. Start with the document type declaration, followed by the HTML structure. Inside the body, include a heading labeled Ask Claude, a text area for user input, and a button labeled Ask. Finally, link the quote popup.js quote script at the end of the body. This setup creates the user interface for your extension's popup. Now, it's time to write the JavaScript for quote popup.js. In this file, add an event listener to the button with the ID askBN. When clicked, the script fetches data from the API using the provided prompt. Include headers for content type and your API key. Ensure to replace your _clay_API_K with your actual API key. Keep in mind that exposing your API key in client-side code poses security risks, so consider using a backend proxy server for production. After creating the JavaScript, you can optionally create the quote background.js quote file. Simply add a console log statement to confirm that the background script is loaded. This file is required under manifest v to ensure the extension can run background processes. To load your extension in Chrome, open the browser and navigate to Chrome Extensions. Enable developer mode by toggling the switch at the top right corner. Click on Load Unpacked and select the Claude extension folder you created. Your extension will now appear in the list of installed extensions. Click on it to test its functionality.